Some prefixes for this chapter include ab or AB. We're going to hear the term abduct, and that means to move away from the body or even away from the midline. And so there's abduct and adduct, and they both sound very similar. So the AD is towards. So many times you'll hear abduct or adduct, and I've even heard people say adduct. It just kind of sounds the same, but you will most commonly hear abduct, so you can hear that B, because abduct and adduct sound very similar. So AB is away from, and the term again is abduct or abduct, and that's going away from your body. So if you're standing in anatomical position, palms facing forward, and you move your thumbs to over your head, that is going away from the midline, so that's abduction. Abduction. Adduction, AD is towards. And I always think of AD as an adding. You're adding towards the midline. So standing in anatomical position and palms facing forward, and you cross your arms over like your belly. So maybe like crossing your wrists. That's adduction. You're bringing your arms towards the midline or towards the body. Circum, like circumvent, circumference means around, just like it does in math. So circumference or circumduction is the movement your hand makes when you make a circle. E is outward or without. Let's find a word with that. And there's not one in your book. I'm sure there's one in your book. I can't see one in your book. We will come back to that. Inward or without. Incision is to cut into inward. And in without would be, that's really testing my memory today, isn't it? Oh, we will come up with one. We'll come up with one here in a second. Some prefixes that you have already been familiar with is A, without, or none, not, or without. Brady, slow, bradycardia, but we're going to hear bradykinesia. Dis, abnormal, difficult, painful. Remember I told you got to remember this one. Dis, abnormal, difficult, painful. Lots of words, with dis in this chapter. Dystonia, dyskinesia. We'll come back to those in a second. Epi, over. Hyper, excessive. The opposite of hyper is hypo, insufficient or less than. Poly means many. Polymyositis. Itis, inflammation. Poly, many, and myo we have seen before, and that's muscle. Pseudo is false. There is a term, pseudo-hypertrophic muscular dystrophy. So pseudo is false. So that would be a false excessive development. Ducto, some combining forms. Ducto, to bring. So the very beginning I said abduct and adduct. So ducto, to bring. Extenso, to stretch out. Extension. Fascio, fibrous band. There's fascia that surrounds muscle, and that's a fibrous band that surrounds the muscle. Fibro, fibers. We use fibro actually as kind of shorthand for, or fiber. Fibro, I've even heard strips is what we're referring to. And even when you hear the term fiber in teleoptics, or even like when they say, oh yeah, we've got fiber for internet, it's strips is what it's really referring to. And so in this case, it's strips of muscles, or the little tiny pieces of muscles, because they look like strips. Flexo, to bend, like flexion. When you bring your chin to your chest, you're flexing your neck. Kinesio is movement. Kinesiology, the study of movement. Musculo, muscle. Myo, we know, is muscle. Myocardio, you know, is heart muscle. Myoso is also muscle. Planto, sole of foot. If you've ever heard anybody that has plantar fasciitis, oh, that's a good word because we just did that one. So plantar, AR is pertaining to. Plant is the sole of foot, so referring to the sole or the bottom of the foot. Fasciitis. Itis is inflammation. Fascio is that fibrous band. So it's a band on the very bottom of our foot. It gets all swollen and inflamed and it hurts. Rotato, to resolve. Rotation. Teno, tendo, and tendino all mean tendon. And a tendon is what attaches the muscle to the bone. And verso, to turn. Inversion, there we go. There was another in for inward, to turn. So you're turning inward. You can do inversion of your foot, and it's turning your foot inward. You know these ones. Bio is life. We have carpo for wrist. We had that in the last chapter. Electro, electricity. And lateral, we had, 2 chapters ago? For side. Lateral means towards the side. And does anybody remember the opposite of lateral? Medial. Very good. Some suffixes. Asthenia or asthenia is weakness. There is a disease called myasthenia gravis. Myasthenia gravis. So the MY is the muscle. Asthenia is weakness. So it's a muscle weakness disease. And gravis is like grave because it used to really result in death. And now there's medications and there's therapies that can help. And so it's not always life-threatening. Still can be life-threatening. Still common to be life-threatening. Not as much as it was, years and years ago. ION, action or condition. Just like those 2 words have action, ION, condition, ION. Kinesia, movement. So hyperkinesia means, excessive movement. They're moving a lot. Tonia, tone. Tone of muscle. Tone of muscle means not like when somebody's toned, they have nice muscle. It's not flabby, but it's also not too tight. Well, there can be words for flabby and too tight, and you would have the word tone or tonia into it. But tone is if it is too tight or if it's not tight enough. Als, these ones you're already familiar with. Al pertaining to algia, pain. R pertaining to dynia, pain. Remember, dynia and algia are the same. We don't hear dynia as often. We hear algia more often, and it really depends on whether it's a Greek or Latin in origin. Gram is record. Graphy is the process of making that record, so the process of recording. Itis is inflammation. I can't see what that says. Logi, is that next? Yeah, logi is the study of. Opsy, view of. Biopsy. So in this case, it's for bio is life. Opsy is view. So to view life is when you take a biopsy of a tissue. Otomy, cutting into. Os, pertaining to. Pathy, disease. Plasty, surgical repair. Okay, so we learned these, Raphy and Rexus. We learned these in, I think, the first chapter. It didn't really make much sense. And now we have something to build on. So myorexis means a tearing of the muscle, means the rupture of the muscle. If you've ever been to the gym and somebody yells out really loudly, it's probably because they ruptured a muscle. They could have pulled it too. If you have a chance, Google what it looks like when the bicep muscle is torn. It's kind of cool. It's gross, so heads up, but it's cool. And then what else did I say? Raphe. Myoraphe is the suture of a muscle. And you can get where your muscle diastasis is when your muscles kind of separate, especially after pregnancy. So they would do a myoraphe where they suture that muscle together. And trophy we have had. You'll hear trophy most often with hypertrophy, so excessive development. Things are growing too rapidly.